Hello guys, in this video I will be talking about a roulette strategy to increase your odds of winning. The best way to win more games on roulette, or to minimize the risk to lose money on the roulette wheel, if you wish, is to focus on the outside bets, keeping your bets on the odds or even, red or black, and high or low gives you the highest chances to score a win because for each one you have a 50% chance of winning. One of the good methods I found to work is playing the European version of the game because it has only 1-0 whereas the American has 2. The number one advice I will recommend you is to download it on your phone first. Practice it then, start participating in real online roulette tables, and use the Fibonacci system, which is one of the safest roulette strategies, especially when you compare it with other progressive methods like the martingale. Rule number 1. The Fibonacci system has the potential to get you some wins while you are on the safe side as well. Rule number 2 is to spread your bets to keep the adrenaline pumping. Rule number 3 is to hold on to the table minimum. In the end, roulette is all luck, and there are no skills involved. Don't listen to someone who will tell you that you can always win if you apply those methods. Roulette is very risky and can lead to high potential losses from how addictive it is. Don't rely on it, it's only going to benefit you in the short run only. If you want to make money with zero risks, comment down below or contact me. I will show you how to make money the right way without risks, and for free, mark my words, and I'm 100% positive it will work. Thank me later.